although may mga things na I wish he could have done, may mga things na I wish he didn't say or he didn't do, but what I like about him is I know that he's not a president. At least yun medyo sigurado ako. And you know, he's human. He's a human being just like all of us. Kasi ang taas-taas lagi na expectations natin sa mga president. Akala natin si Superman na siya. It's very hard to be a president. I can just imagine. You know, ang dami mong kailangang i-address and I'm sure marami na siyang nakaligtaang i-address or meron siyang mga dapat inayos na hindi na niya naayos only because merong mas malaking bagay na kailangan siyang ayusin. So, nobody is perfect. Wala tayong makikitang perfect na president. Parati tayong magkakaroon ng reklamo. Pero natural yun kasi may freedom tayo to do that. And it's good nga that we have that we already have a voice. Because if you remember, during nung time sa mga tatay at nanay natin, they couldn't even complain.